IKEA hacks with a mid-century modern slant are beautiful, stylish, and contemporary. They instantly make your home look more stylish and lovely, and they are fun to make and economical at the same time. Here are 15 of the most amazing mid-century modern style hacks for your home. 1. Modern acacia wood plant stand. This plant stand from IKEA usually comes with white plates. However, it is made more interesting and modern looking with wooden plates instead. 2. Succulent planter box. This hack actually uses a bamboo bathroom dish set. It turns into a lovely modern looking planter box for your succulents or other plants. 3. Mid-century cabinet. This hack uses IKEA method head-on to create yet another mid-century style cabinet. New legs, handles, and some other little touches turns this into a lovely, sleek, and stylish cabinet. 4. DIY nightstand. This is a great Scandinavian mid-century modern style nightstand. It is very neutral, so will blend in with any decor that you have in your home. 5. Mid-century modern play kitchen. Here's a mid-century modern hack for your kids. Turn that plain little IKEA play kitchen into a great mid-century modern wonder of a play kitchen. This does require some painting and cutting, but you could certainly do it in a weekend. 6. Sleek mid-century dresser. This beautiful and sleek dresser transforms the Tarva dresser. It is coated with paint, wood stained, modern knobs added, and the legs are cut into a more mid-century design. This is turned into an absolutely beautiful piece of furniture. 7. Copper mirror hack. The IKEA Grundhall mirror is a beautiful and versatile mirror anyway, but adding copper leaf to the mirror frame turns it into something more beautiful and special. 8. Rast dresser hack. In this hack, the IKEA Rast dresser is turned into a different dresser altogether. It uses wood stain and white paint, gold spray paint, and casters. 9. Another record console. Here is another beautiful record console. This one uses Kallax once again, but designs it a little differently. It creates a beautiful place to keep your retro record collection. Just by adding wood panels and legs, it completely transforms this piece. 10. Modern sideboard. This hack takes an IKEA sideboard and turns it into a modern gem. By using patterned tape, hairpin legs, and more, the already great sideboard is turned into remarkable. 11. Kallax shelving unit. Placing a simple base and legs on the Kallax unit creates this very stylish mid-century style shelving unit. 12. Mid-century side table. This hack actually uses a cake pan as part of the tools and items needed to create this table. It produces such a unique looking side table that will have pride of place in your living room. 13. Tripod succulent planter. This gorgeous looking planter is made using IKEA's round leg serving bowl and some chair legs. The bowl has that great green color that is so mid-century, and the shape is also so retro. 14. Record console. This hack is so much fun and absolutely gorgeous. It uses the IKEA Besta unit. Placed on top is a piece of hardwood, and hairpin legs are screwed into the bottom. It looks straight out of the 50s and 60s. 15. Chest makeover. The sunshine yellow and brown wood of this chest go so well together for great mid-century design. This would be a great weekend DIY project for you to do.